Hi, hello, what is up? That's so sour, but so good. Okay, so today we're gonna be doing my favorite curly hair products that I'm currently using in like 2 years. Sorry guys, but let's go. Welcome to the G's unit. First on the list, obviously, a comb, a white tooth comb. I got this one at Walmart. It's Conair. It was pretty cheap. I personally like this one better. I've tried a bunch of them. I got some off Amazon, but I just like this one better. If it's on Amazon, I'll link it down below for you guys. All of the stuff will be linked down below, by the way. Yeah, I got you. Next we have Miss Jessie's Multicultural Curls. I love this stuff. A lot of people always get the Pillow Soft curls, but personally I like the smell and this one better. So this is the one we go with. A little bit goes a long way. I use I would say like a quarter size on my hair, and then if I need it, if it's like really frizzy, I'll add a little bit more, and it does the job. But if you add too much, your hair will get like a greasy feeling, so I wouldn't recommend doing that, depending on what your hair type is. Next coming to the stage is Blueberry Bliss. This stuff smells amazing. It will make your hair hard and like crunchy if you use too much of it. So we use quarter size on our palm. As you can tell, I used some today. My hair is not crunchy at all. It's kind of voluminous and soft, and we like it. We like it. Okay. My front pieces always give me problems because I dye my hair, so they don't like to curl. I basically kill my hair. But you know what? You gotta do what you gotta do to make yourself feel good, self-love, all that stuff. Okay, yeah. Anyway. So this is the Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly. It smells so good. Every time I put this in my hair, my man's like, oh my god, I love your hair, it smells so good. And I'm like, yeah, I know, this is why. And most, if not all of this stuff is paraben, sulfates, and all that free. It says it right down on the bottom there. So there's that. Next, now this is a new one that I just got. It is the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk. It is the mousse, so it's like the foamy mousse. Now, I've tried Not Your Mother's. I can't even. I tried Not Your Mother's before and did not like it. I don't remember if it was like a gel or whatever. Didn't work for my hair at all. But this stuff works, and you don't need a lot of it, and because if you have too much of it, it will be too much of a cast and it will be crunchy. And I know some people don't like the crunchy. I know I like volume and soft. That's why I let my hair be more of like a flowy curl than adding all this product, and you know, my hair would probably be like this right now. Your girl just likes the beach vibe, you know, a little bit more flowy, natural curl. So this is made with rice curl complex and aloe extracts. It also has no paraben, sulfates, or anything like that. It's right there on the back. We love that. You should give this a try. Now, this Not Your Mother's Bodybuilding Plump Joy Dry Shampoo. This is something new that I'm trying because since I'm not putting like the gels and the hairspray and all that stuff in my hair because I want it to be more like flowy, sometimes my hair gets really flat on top. Like, I'm talking just like straight down. I add this into my roots to give me that volume that I need. So this is vegan, cruelty-free, aluminum-free, waterless, and you can recycle it. So it smells amazing. It's orange mango. So if your hair kind of stinks, spray this in your hair. Your significant other will thank you for it. Or the guy that's sitting beside you in class, or you know, on the bus, or you won't stink. Okay, you won't stink. Also, another little hack, if your hair is getting flat, flip it over and just shake at the roots a little bit. Boom. You got the volume again. Obviously, one of these towel things, I forget what they're called. I don't know, I'm having a brain fart right now. But you can deep condition your hair. Put this in. Oh yeah, I don't have the deep conditioner. One sec. So I already started talking about it, so we'll just talk about it. This is the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. Love this stuff. It works really good. Since I dye my hair, it does get a little damaged here and there. I don't dye my whole hair, but I dye my roots, but it still affects my curls. So we use this before and after We use it at least once a month. And then you can put your hair up in this cap, let it sit for, I don't know, some people do it overnight. I just do it for a couple hours, then wash it out. But this is also good for scrunching your hair so that you're not touching your hair with your hands. And it's not making it frizzy with like a regular towel or something like that. So yeah. And the last thing on the list right now, obviously a hair dryer, but a diffuser. I like this one because it's collapsible. You can extend it as far as you need. It's dirty. It's dirty. It needs cleaned. We use this a lot. It's flexible. I got this one I got from Amazon. I'll link it down in the description, like I said, with everything else. But I like this one because you can travel with it. It comes right off. It's stretchy, so it goes on a lot of different types of blow dryers. If say you forget your blow dryer, but you remember this, your friend has one, it should fit on it. I like that it bends, like you can go like halfway like this. So if I'm trying to do a certain part of my hair, or I'm trying to get into the roots or anything like that. So I do recommend this one. Also, this leave-in conditioner. So what I do is I mix this with water. I have it in a little spray bottle. If you watch my updated curly hair routine, you'd see that. It is the Shea Moisture Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In. It doesn't really hurt my hair at all. It actually helps it very well, keeps it soft and, you know, from dyeing and splitting ends and all that jazz. So yeah. All right, that's all I got for you guys today. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell, and I will see you guys next time. Let me know if any of this was helpful, you know, all that jazz. Okay, I'm just talking too much. I'm gonna go. Bye.